Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Zimbabwean cream donuts. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You will need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of melted butter. Also, have a pinch of salt ready. This careful preparation ensures a smooth baking journey and delicious results. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, slowly incorporate the warm milk, eggs, and melted butter until a shaggy dough forms. Transfer it to a floured surface and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes. This develops the gluten, giving your donuts that wonderful chewy texture. Once smooth, let it rise until it has doubled in size. With your dough beautifully risen, gently roll it out to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a round cutter to create your donut shapes. Heat your vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few donuts into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are golden brown. While they cool, prepare a luscious cream filling with fresh cream, sugar, and vanilla extract. Now for the delightful finishing touches. Once your donuts are completely cool, carefully slice each one horizontally, creating a pocket for the cream. Generously pipe or spoon your rich, smooth cream filling into each donut. For a beautiful presentation and an extra touch of sweetness, dust them lightly with powdered sugar. Serve these incredible Zimbabwean cream donuts fresh and enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.